Ancestral pan de pulque. A delicious Mexican bread recipe. This recipe serves to large loaves, 12 to 16 servings. Preparation takes about 3 hours, includes rising time. And cooking takes around 35 to 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 11 grams active dry yeast, a half cup all-purpose flour, a half cup warm pulque, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 180 grams unsalted butter, 4 large whole eggs, 2 large egg yolks, a half teaspoon salt. Step 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the half cup warm pulque, yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a half cup flour. Cover with a damp cloth and let it sit in a warm, draft-free spot for 20 to 30 minutes until it becomes very bubbly and doubles in volume. Step 2. On a large, clean work surface or in a large bowl, create a fountain mound with the remaining 4 cups of flour. Make a wide well in the center. Step 3. Pour the sugar, salt, vanilla, whole eggs, and egg yolks into the center of the flour well. Slowly begin mixing the wet ingredients with your fingers, gradually incorporating the flour from the inner walls. Step 4. Add the prepared yeast sponge and the remaining a half cup of pulque to the mixture. Continue to work the dough until a sticky mass forms. Step 5. Begin incorporating the softened butter, 1/3 at a time. The dough will feel very sticky and greasy at first, but do not add more flour yet, the gluten needs to develop through kneading. Step 6. Knead the dough vigorously for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a bench scraper to lift the dough and slap it against the table. Knead until the dough is smooth, elastic, and pulls away cleanly from your hands and the surface. Step 7. Shape the dough into a smooth ball and place it in a lightly greased ball. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 1.5 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Step 8. Gently punch down the risen dough to release excess air. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions for 2 large loaves or smaller portions for individual rolls. Step 9. Shape each portion into a round or oval loaf. For a traditional look, you can snip the edges with scissors or create a braided pattern. Place the loaves on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 10. Cover the loaves loosely and let them undergo a second rise for about 45 to 60 minutes. They should look puffy and light. Step 11. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Brush the tops of the loaves gently with the egg wash, being careful not to deflate them. Step 12. Decorate the tops with walnut house and a generous sprinkle of sesame seeds and coarse sugar. Step 13. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes until the crust is a deep golden brown and the bottom of the loaf sounds hollow when tapped. If the bread browns too quickly, tent it loosely with foil. Step 14. Transfer to a wire rack and allow the bread to cool completely before slicing. This allows the internal structure to set and the pulque aroma to mellow. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.